Hey everyone, I'm VisNova and I've been creating and innovating on IMVU since 2007. Now, if you are a new creator and want to get started with some free poses for your catalog, then this is the course for you. In this course, we will learn the following: how to create a pose pack that can be added to any avatar and triggered, create an avatar with custom idle and trigger poses, how to create a basic product icon for free, and how to upload the products to your catalog. You will also learn all the fundamental settings needed for triggered and idle actions in the client. Now, what's really cool about this course is that even if you don't want to take any of my other courses, you can still take advantage of my weekly free poses I release and use them for your products. If you already have a creator account, you can skip this section. You'll need to make sure you have the guest removed from your name and have a creator account. You can do both of these steps by simply buying a VIP membership. On the Classic website, which gives you more information, simply click on the VIP tab and choose your plan. If you're looking for the best deal, then the yearly is the best. However, not everyone can afford this one-time payment, so the monthly might be a better suited option for you. Now, once you have signed up for the VIP pass, you now officially have a creator account.